Which choice completes the text with the most logical transition? In her 2012 analysis of tree rings from Japan's Yapu Island, cosmic ray physicist Husa Miyake noted an anomalous carbon-14 spike dating to 774 to 775 CE, indicating that a massive burst of radiation reached Earth during that time. Blank, this unprecedented radiocarbon surge was dubbed a Miyake event in honor of its discoverer. So option choice A says fittingly. This seems to be the correct answer because the first sentence highlights how the cosmic ray physicist Fusa Miyake noted the anomalous spike, which indicates a massive burst of radiation reaching Earth during that time. So she discovered this event, and because of this, the radioactive radiocarbon surge was dubbed a Miyake event. So fittingly, which means most appropriately or appropriately, it correctly shows how this event was appropriately named a Miyake event to honor its discoverer. So A seems to be the correct answer. B, similarly. This is incorrect because similarly would imply the second sentence would highlight how Fusa Miyake found another massive burst of radiation reaching Earth, which would be similar to this first sentence. But this is not the case because the second sentence builds off the first sentence to show how the event or the radiocarbon surge was appropriately named a Miyake event. So B is incorrect. C, however, this is incorrect because however would imply that there is a contrast between the first and second sentence, but there is no such contrast, so C can be eliminated. D, in other words, this is incorrect because in other words implies that the second sentence will explain what was said in the first sentence in different words, but this is not done in the second sentence, so D can be eliminated as well. And thus the correct answer is A.